If you've been wondering how to get Discord forum channels set up on your server, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Discord forum channels are a great way to organize discussions, keep topics separated, and make it easier for your community to find the exact conversation they need. Whether you're running a gaming server, a study server, or a community for your brand, forum channels can make your server look much more professional and much easier to manage. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Discord Web in your browser. You can also use Discord on desktop, but for this guide, we'll start with the web version so you can follow along easily. Once Discord loads, go ahead and open the server where you want to create the forum channel. Make sure you're in the correct server before continuing because the forum channel will be created inside that server. Now look at your channel list on the left side of the screen. You'll want to find the channel category where you want the forum to live. Next to that category, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus button is what lets you add a new channel to that category. Go ahead and click the plus sign. After clicking it, Discord will bring up the channel creation menu. Here, you'll see different channel types, and this is the important part. Choose forum. Discord forum channels are designed for topic-based discussions, so if your server needs a better way to organize posts and replies, this is the option you want. Once you select forum, you'll be taken to the setup screen. Now enter the forum channel name. Pick a name that clearly matches the purpose of the channel because this helps members immediately understand what the forum is for. For example, you might name it something like announcements, questions, support, guides, or general discussions, depending on your community. If you want the forum channel to be private, this is also where you can turn on the private option. A private forum is useful if you only want specific members to have access. That could be helpful for staff discussions, premium members, private support threads, or invite-only groups. If you don't need privacy, you can leave it public so everyone in the server can use it. Take a moment to review everything before you finish. Make sure the channel name is correct, the channel type is set to forum, and the privacy setting matches what you want. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create Channel, and that's it. Discord will create the forum channel for you, and now it will appear in your server like any other channel. From there, you can start creating posts, organizing topics, and building a much cleaner discussion space for your community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Discord how-to tutorials. I post simple, step-by-step videos to help you get things done faster, easier, and without the confusion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.